Have you ever heard someone say, "You missed the boat"? What do you think that means? It doesn't sound like it has anything to do with travel, does it? Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of miss the boat. Tickets sold out yesterday, so we really missed the boat. He didn't invest in that company early and now he's missed the boat. I forgot to apply for the program. I missed the boat. She wanted to join the team, but the deadline passed. She missed the boat. They missed the boat on that opportunity to buy a house when prices were lower. What do you think all of these sentences are talking about? Let's look at a hint. Imagine a boat leaving the dock, and you're running late. You arrive just as it sails away. What do you think miss the boat means? Miss the boat means to miss an opportunity because you acted too late. It's often used when someone loses their chance to do something. Which sentence uses miss the boat correctly? A. I missed the boat because I overslept before my trip. B. I missed the boat on buying tickets and now the concert is sold out. C. The boat was missed by the fishermen in the sea. The correct answer is B. It means you lost your chance to buy tickets. Here are some other ways to say the same idea. Lose your chance. I lost my chance to apply. Too late. It's too late now. I should have acted earlier. Miss an opportunity. She missed an opportunity to meet him. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence using miss the boat? Post it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more English idioms? Check out our playlist and subscribe for more quick English lessons every month.